got your EFS card in that?
Did you tell Mike and Peter to get in here? And where are they? No, there's not. No, this is.
Yeah, Joe.
What else do you got? Did you get his card?
You got his card, you got your keys?
Keys in the car.
In your vehicle?
Yes.
I'll have the police get it from you. Boy, I tell you, I just don't get people. You got a temper problem, man. Police are on their way, Peter. This guy is threatening. Took his phone and smashed it down. So if you wouldn't mind getting Mike in here, because the police are on their way to arrest this guy. I'm taking threats from this fella. So I just need some support, that's all I needed. He's got his key for his truck is inside. I told you, I wasn't,
Yeah.
if there's something that's not going to the top of this one.
Okay, I'll get to know you from that now.
Where are they, Joe?
They dispatched him and he was on the phone when he was dispatching them as I was talking to him. He said they were sending them over, depending on where they're coming from.
Well, would you call them and tell them that I'm holding this guy? I mean, Jesus Christ, if the... Shane, the police are on their way. Would you make sure they come in here?
It's just the police. Okay. Yes.
Well, we're holding in them. Where are they?
Pardon me? In Congress regarding a individual that was being abusive and violent to one of the employees. No, not yet. Thank you. Good afternoon. Morning, Dan. Joe here.
Put you back to this.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Go out and get them.
It's Dan's Way Logistics. If you have the officers come around, there's a trailer parked over here by the fuel pump. Just come around the trailers. Yeah, just tell them to come towards the back of the building. You'll see a little blue Volkswagen Jetta sitting there. That's where the office is. There's the glass doors. I've actually got one of my employees going out now to get them. It's Joe. Thank you. Bye. They're here.
Good. I'll go down and bring them in here. Okay. I suggest staying right there. I don't trust you. If you would threaten an officer of the law, then you could hurt me. That's how I see You don't respect authority. Are they getting their shoes shined?
I don't know. I told him exactly where it was. I said, there's glass doors here towards the back of the building, coming towards the back of the building. Where are they? Here they come now.
Stay there. Don't move any further. Like I said, I don't trust you. Good day, gentlemen, right in here. My name is Fred. I'm the office manager for Dan's Way.
Okay.
This is the gentleman. This gentleman here has just been released from his duties due to several violations in his probation.
Okay.
One being uttering threats to MTO officers.
That
Okay, you
wasn't
know
a,
what? Here.
that wasn't a threat.
You want to talk to him and all?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool, come on over
Okay,
here.
before I get started, I'd like to give you my name.
I would appreciate that, that's what I'd like to. That's irrelevant here, okay? I don't really, it doesn't matter who you send it from, okay? We're dealing with the matter today, okay? 38552, we're off it when everything's done for. Do you have any idea?
No, because I got this out anyways.
Yeah. Thanks, sir. Bill or?
I was born in Oakville. Oakville General.
Yep.
I think that hospital's still active today. That's not where I reside, however.
No, that's fine. There you go. So your birthday is,
That's correct.
and where do you live today? What's your phone number? Okay. And what business is this? Is it William Booth?
No, it's Dan's Way Logistics.
So when you signed it on here.
Oh, I know. It's disgusting.
Sorry. Is it
Dan's Way
Dan's
Logistics?
Yeah.
Dan's Way, Joe, here, can I help you? Hey, Lizanne.
So you were a truck driver with Dan?
Good.
I was.
For how long?
A few months now.
2 months?
I don't have a soul in here, huh?
When did,
No,
when did
but-
you get hired?
A couple
Okay.
months ago.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.
I don't know.
Kind of, is it long, do you drive
Just,
the
just long
transport?
haul. Yeah, just long haul transports.
Long hauls? 3552, can I get a 29 mil Whiteman ready?
For 3342, just stand by for your backup. 3552, go ahead. That's fine.
8th of the 27th, 2013, I was employed here.
Sorry, which date?
8th of the 27th of this year.
Okay, 8th of the 27th. Yeah,
Ten
August
month?
month?
Yeah.
On our calendar. We don't have a name on that female. She does admit to having some sort
So-
of addiction.
You tell me your side, what's going on here?
Okay, they accused me of threatening an MTO officer. Like they said, they got a letter. I never saw it.
You never saw the letter or you never threatened it?
I never threatened the officer. At MTO.
Just 1 second. Go ahead.
Now, following the CNI.
Did you find?
10-4, thank you. Okay, so, you didn't threaten anyone?
I
you didn't see a letter.
I didn't see the letter. We did have it. The woman kept giving me the scream match, and that's when I did raise my voice. Was at the MTO office. You know where the Lincoln Scale House is?
Yeah, down Niagara
Yeah.
Way? When was that?
And it was a while ago now. They started giving me lectures, and actually the guy got threatening towards me.
Yeah,
Like he said to me, "Go back to your truck now."
okay.
Now, for the record, okay.
You don't have to do that.
Okay, no, I'm a first degree black belt.
Okay, well, I appreciate you giving me that heads up.
I was, if I'd wanted to,
Yeah.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure how familiar you are with the modern day systems.
Yeah.
Why does nobody know anything these days?
Well, here's the thing.
I could have put him down on his ass if I wanted to when I walked away from the
So you
guy.
did.
That's partly
That's a good
why.
thing.
That's partly why I walked away.
You know why? Because then you would be under arrest for assault, so you don't want to do that. Here's the thing. Do you know what month that happened?
That was a while ago now. I was
Well, it was between now and August
yes,
27th, so...
yes, and that's when I
Month
left.
or two?
A month or two. I just left. Then when the shift change came, they gave me the okay to leave, and I just left.
Okay.
I'm not sure where.
I did catch a video of them
I got
being
my
a bunch of
passport in the
jerks.
car anyway, Joe.
Dan's way Joe here.
No, at the MTO
Hey,
scale
Chris,
house.
can I call you back? Thanks, Mike.
I posted the video just to prove like how much of an
I'll just.
asses they were. It was mostly to get it to the guy who was supposed to be fighting the tickets.
Yeah. Did you get tickets?
No.
Yeah, it was a couple of tickets. It was supposed to prove that to
I
them.
thought maybe it got
But
me
unfortunately,
some last info.
No.
speaking from video experience,
Yeah, I could
It's
tell
in-
you.
I've been doing that for about
I just can't find it.
7 years now.
So I'll just use my
Truck driving?
passport now.
I'm not truck driving video work.
Oh, okay. How long have you been truck driving for?
Just a few months.
Oh, so it's your first time job?
Passport.
No, it's my second one.
Oh, okay. Where were you working before?
Drive star.
How long were you with for?
Oh, I guess I
6 months. I quit.
You quit, eh? Didn't like it, or?
Combination, they weren't paying me enough, and they were too much of a hassle.
Yep. Where's Drive Star?
They're in Caledonia.
Okay. All right. So you worked for Drive Star, you quit there, you came here for 3 months.
Yeah.
You had an incident at the Lincoln MTO
Scale house.
station, Scale House. You don't know when, but...
Yeah, well, the guy that I needed to see the video saw the video.
Mhm. What would the video show?
It basically showed the guy not cooperating, saying do this, do that, and then he gives
Like,
a
were you
real.
taping them with your phone or something? Or
Yeah, I taped it.
Oh, okay. All right. And what you're doing right now, I'd see? Yeah.
Not
okay.
recording.
Oh, it's fine. If you are, then it doesn't matter to me. I'm on TV a lot. It doesn't matter. So, yeah, I guess you've been employed here for a few months. You had an incident at the Lincoln Scale House with the MTO a few months ago. He's not sure when, but between August 27th and now. You got a couple tickets. They allege that he was threatening towards one of their officers. They sent, I guess, the company a letter. He never saw the letter, and nor did he say he was threatening towards them. He said, in fact, they were threatening towards him. I said, well, he has to take it up with the MTO in that case.
And I have.
Yep, that's irrelevant to what's going on here, though. And that's where we're at.
Okay.
It's 1060.
So according to the company, the person that's in charge of the property and the company right now is your employment is being terminated for whatever reason, and that's up to you. You can go to a lawyer and deal with it however you want. Okay, so you will have to leave the property.
I
They
intend
also
to.
want- pardon me?
I intend to.
You intend to.
I intend to leave.
Yeah. Okay.
I also intend to, might as well do it. I intend to badmouth the company and give them enough bad rep that they probably will shut down.
Well, you go and you handle whatever you want. What I'm saying is just you should be careful about how you articulate yourself or say things, especially in front of us right now. Like, I wouldn't be making any threats or anything.
And it wasn't a threat, it was a
Okay.
statement of fact.
Yeah.
I understand that, but I mean, like, there's civil issue. Anyways, I'm not going to dwell on that. He's also going to be trespassed from the property. They will
Yep.
trespass him, so
Yep.
you will not be allowed on the property. Okay. Also, there's an issue with the phone.
I gave it my all, I did my best, I came in when they called, I even sacrificed a few things here and there.
Okay. I didn't ask you that. I said, did you intentionally damage one of their phones? Okay. See, there's an issue with that because you can be charged with an offense, like you can be charged with a mischief. Now, they're gonna, I think, just be interested in getting restitution for the phone, and that's gonna be the,
No,
the end of
it's
that.
obsolete.
Okay, so anyways, the manager's gonna come in here, he's gonna give him a trespass notice.
Yep.
Also, you have a key, an important key or something in your possession that belongs to the company, is that correct?
Yes, it's in my car.
Okay, So you're gonna hand that over?
Yes, I was gonna hand it over.
Okay,
Okay.
and then that's gonna be the end of it, then there's a report that gets put in and that
And
sort of
Andrew,
thing.
just so we're clear, what happens with the trespass is if you come back onto this property, you can be arrested, okay, under the Trespass to Property Act. You don't want that, we don't want that, okay? So,
Look, as it stands right now, I've had enough. I had one guy, his name, lie about me to you people.
yeah,
So as far as I'm concerned, you got no right, because I got evidence that proves that he lied to you people about me.
here's the thing, that's irrelevant to what's happening today. Today, because you're being trespassed, we're enforcing that. We're here on behalf of their request to be here as you're trespassed from the property. And then we walk you off and you don't come back,
That's why Joe here, can I help you?
okay?
Yeah, so you understand that? And that'll be the end of it
Right.
as far as today goes.
Yeah.
Not a soul, my
As far as,
friend.
this, okay?
Okay.
So like this officer said, you could be charged with mischief right now, which is a criminal offense for breaking the phone. And they're being nice, they're using their discretion not to do that, so.
They just want you off the property,
Yeah.
and then if you wanna pursue, the
Civil.
legal issues as far as,
Wrongful
about
termination.
Yeah, and that sort of thing, that's up to you to deal with.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyways, I'm just gonna get just, another quick bit of information, he'll give him a trespass.
Sounds good.
Well, here,
Where do you want?
out of my car.
Oh, you get teeth? Verbal.
Can you get my belongings?
What do you got here? I'll get whatever you got. What do you have here?
Well, I got my electric blanket and stuff in the truck.
Oh, yeah. It's unfortunate these things happen, but. Which one's your truck?
520.
You're just gonna get a key from the truck, and I guess it's a blanket and other belongings. Okay, do you need an electric blanket or you need a key?
They fired me. Not my.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, just put it on the other side of the truck, please. And,
I got another bag. I got a lot of stuff on this side. I was just clearing it all out
okay.
for you.
Yeah.
You just grab him his electric blanket and personal belongings. Just, I assume the GPS is his.
Yep, that is his.
Okay, and these.
Yep.
These are his.
They're very useful tools, I might add.
Yeah.
Try kicking the tires like this day after day.
Property, you're banned from the property.
Trespass.
Trespassing.
So you trespass from the property, you've
If
been
you want to
notified?
communicate with us, do it by letter.
Okay.
Well, let me just tell you this, okay?
Okay, that's the end
careful
of
what you
that, that's the end of that, and you can deal with what you have to legally.
A blanket or anything?
Yeah, I said the mechanic here.
Bag or something?
Said there was 2 bags worth. Okay, that radio's not mine.
Figure on this. Appreciate it.
Yeah, Andrew, let me just hold this for you, okay? Okay. We'll hold that for you. And you can do it.
This is the one. This is the thing I almost threw out the window with Glenn.
Okay. Anything else not yours, or
Yeah. Then obviously, what was I was planning on putting in the truck when I thought I was coming back to it going again.
You got everything you need? Just
Yes.
personal items?
Yes.
okay, come back. So I wanna make sure you got everything. Second look.
Yeah. Yeah. If you want me to entertain you, I will.
You know what, just so I'm content, you're content, and we can say it's done. Just take a quick look. What's in that bag?
Okay, that's more of my things there.
That bag, is that yours, that bag?
Yes. Stapler.
This is a big one like that. And a smaller bag?
No, it's okay. I'll go in here.
With my, when I was in beer plants and beer sold, like, I wouldn't take anything of it. I'd be there. But being uniform right now, and now you're spending all this time, you don't have that luxury. That's why I called the sergeant, and that's why I John came home. But you know, look at how much time I called to let me know what's going on. I'm here, on the south, and blah, blah, blah. And like I said, I'm not having to start the rest of the